Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, looks like we're live. Are we live? Yes, yes, we're live. So I missed CPI move here. Shoot, look at that. I think CPI also happened for gold. Crap, that would have been a great level. Oh man, I didn't even anticipate that move so soon. Um, yeah. So TP didn't hit last night because I decided to move it just slightly lower. So I never got my 5R move, unfortunately. Um, seem to be on a winning streak, which is good. I think I started negative in this account. I had a 5K account, um, like I started this 5K account a long time ago, and yeah, I just wasn't that good. Anyways, we're still on delayed data. We're still gonna make the most of it. This would have been actually wasn't even looking around this area. This is a decent place to enter. So this was CPI. How would you have caught the short? See, I was already in this area. If you're looking at daily VWAP, the TPO, and the shelf on the weekly, as well as the shelf on the yearly, and then you see this, you can see like a little bit of, little crack right here. And you could, honestly, you could just mark out the shelf. Oh my gosh, shelf like that. But usually I just go for these, right? That's kind of your area. Or if you want to have a high probability, just include the whole thing with all these double prints. And then VP, this is a really strong shelf right here. It's a way to go about it. Nothing on the yearly. Got the tip of the daily. So there's the whole entire range. Look at the entire range for VP. Work it out. Move. Yeah, it just kind of sucks. I was like, I've never traded CPI, so I don't know what the range of their movies is. I really gotta back test that. So top and bottom tick CPI to CPI and non-farm employment, such and such and such. Yeah, so there's this little pocket of um, whatever for the TPO. And alrighty, so let's see the top of the CPI move. Yeah, so right now, kind of missed both entries on gold. ES is kind of, yeah, I don't even know what the time is at. That's why it's nice to have market data. But yeah, that was a strong level right here. Obviously. Obviously. Okay. Looking at my stream. It's good. Alrighty. Holy hell, bro. Okay. Anyways, let's look at that. We do have somewhat of a shelf here. On the yearly, weekly. And then for the range, not much single. Um, honestly, you could probably expand this. Reset all merges and splits. See what we see. Not much, really. It's like the point of control for the TPO. Hit the single print. Yeah, it's not much. Not much at all. Or just previous profile. Yeah. Tough say. Tough say. I probably wouldn't have even tried to catch that at the top. I might have tried to dual TP somewheres. If I had motive wave, shit would be way easier because I got the dom and footprint. Yeah, I gotta backtest this stuff and look at the average numbers for the range that it likes to jump. See if my buddy's open for buddy's up. If he's up for New York AM Open. So we are going bearish. Very, very, very bearish. These all edges and splits. Can we see a little bit of a retest happening? I could see a short happening here. Shit, I'm already late still. Market data, damn it. 10 minutes behind. Yeah, we're trading for the future, guys. Literally, we're trading futures. Okay. I don't even know if I want to take anything today. I am gonna be home all day though. Home. Oh, would you look at that? It hits. This also hit the weekly. Did it hit for the daily? I wonder. Okay, we do have this purple line. It actually did. Look at that. It hit it perfectly too. Oh, these standard deviation bands are amazing. Oh, okay. They're pretty good. Not gonna. I mean, they are pretty freaking good, man. If you know how to mark them out, use them. I'd say use them. Okay, now it's time for watch this. 6:30. Where was it? You guys are gonna freak the fuck out. You guys are gonna freak out. Okay, yeah, this was CPI right here. Wait, did it go up? Okay, so it went up and then down. Sheesh. That's a cool move. Anyways, I think did it come out like right here, right this second? Okay, so you want to get it at the open. It's not gonna be super precise, but anyways, check this out. Pay attention at how we get reactions off these. So it doesn't want to anchor straight at the open of the candle, like right here. So it's going to be a little bit funky. So yeah. This does not look typical. Interesting. Hit the 0.5s. Yeah, hit the 0.5 areas, so almost halfway point there, halfway point here, halfway point there. Boom. I have to give it some time to develop, I guess. Gonna need to give it some time to develop. Completely on the wrong candle now. Anyways, what are we going for here? Damn. Need some water. I want some water. Sheesh, this is gonna be a strong level. Break through the level, man. Well, that's what we need. CPI is crazy. Where are my manners? Where are my manners? My manners. Okay, I'm really unhappy with what I'm seeing right now. I need more data. So that's what I'll always say. I need more data. What just happened? What just happened? My headset is doing funny things to me. Yeah, right here. So that are like right up here. This is a great area for selling right here. Very good line. Do I need more data? I don't think so. Let's add it all up anyways. Yeah, it's becoming more and more obvious that we actually do have something there. Right here, and then right here. And I am willing to bet on that right there for sure. This one, I don't know. Oh, wait. Frick, is that a reversal? Right here. Sheesh, dude.
Like, come on, dude. Like, really? Oh my god.
And we're probably gonna have a decent move down. I'm telling you, this is a liquidity sweep right here. Well, maybe not like a crazy move, but like probably down here. I don't like maybe over here, but like most likely like right here. Yeah, I'm gonna just cancel this one. Bum, bum, ba, 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 ba. Bum, ba, 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 Set a reasonable stop. 3 point stop, a reasonable stop right there. How we do it. Probably anchor standard deviation or some shit. I should probably marking outing standard deviationing. A very standard deviation. A -3 right there.
I don't like it. This is not what I like.
What do we have here? That's a good one
I don't know, but this one,
though. Like right there. I don't know why, but this seems like a good area right here. It seems good. I don't know. I don't know. -3 all over my line. I think we should just go with it. Hmm. I know our stop loss is way too tight there though. Okay, so we're probably gonna wanna do something crazy. Wait a minute, was it possible to catch the CPI move on a seconds? Time frame. Yeah, if you want like 3.25. 3.25 guys, this is how you mark out standard deviations. And you need context though. That's the most important thing. And depending if you're fast enough, I don't even know if you could do this. Oh yeah, look at that. What is this on? Anchor view up. Hit it perfectly. I'm just so good. I'm just so good. Yeah. Negative 2.25. Hit perfectly as well. Where the hell did that shit go though? I don't know, but I kind of want to go for this level right here. I don't know, it's just something I want to do. I'd rather wait to here though. See what institutional volume does once it comes in. Was my buddy awake? He's probably still dead asleep. Instagram. Instagram. Oh crap. Oh jeez, bro. This is what I want to be looking at. Yeah, let's create a limit order here. Do you think so that I might want to go above the high? So if I did want to trade this, it would be very, very wise to set it up like right here. Yes, above the high. We do have this TPO LVN. Let's do that. Let's do that. I don't know how many points. Make it 5 points. Pints. Whoops. Whoops. What are you gonna do? And something like high probability like that. Should be high probability at least. If not, then I don't fucking know. I would look at this level right here. This looks like an interesting level to me. CPI. CPI, man. What are you doing? Good level. this stuff is really fun, man. You just get to sit around until something happens. Are we still here? Are we still here? This is the boringest shit ever. Probably take something on ES. That would be like the soonest thing.
That would be very high probability. We could trade all of our savings away.
I don't know, man. Reset all merges and spreads. I want to do the spreads. Yes, I want to do the spreads. Wow. It's very comforting knowing that I have no idea what price action is doing. So fun. This shelf right there. Yeah. Merges previous profile. Yeah, this is a good shelf. Honest lemon. This is a good shelf. Oh, here. I would probably short like literally right here. The best idea though? I mean, it's a pretty decent like steep shelf. I wouldn't say it's like 100% good though. And this is why we have other confluences like right here, the weekly. Ooh, I forgot the CPI news event. Mark that out. The CPA. The CPA. Just like so. Probably not even good. Tap. Tap to the max. Tap to the max. Underneath. Oh, that's why I need to charge my headset. Okay. Oh my goodness. Ouch. Please give me money. I need your money. Are you freaking kidding me? I had a retrace, quick retrace, but it's gonna break through. Easy. Easy. This one might have a bigger retrace though. Would I bet on it? Yeah, there's actually single prints right there. I'd actually enter off of this. Liquidity sweep 2. Actually, screw it. I might as well just do it. Like right there. So. Oh shit. Did I sell 5? I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, something like that. 5 points. ES doesn't have much data to be trading off of right now. But sure, if you're like really good, that wouldn't even matter. There's a pocket right here. Pocket of time volume. This could be a reversal. But you want to be focusing on the highest probability ones, like I think, yeah, this area, this area, this area, and this area. A lot of areas. See, look at that. I don't even know how much I was gonna go for here. Control on a day. It's good. That's good. That's really good. I think I like it. I think I like it a lot. I think I'll do one last contract. Just go up there already. Crazy how slow New York AIM is going. That's how it usually is. It's going hella bearish a while back. That stumped me like a million times. Let's go.
Let's go, mate. This is what we're gonna be doing. Point of control. Safe place. Point of control. Catch a trade. Win. And go cash out the check. This is how we're gonna do it.
Ooh. Holy shit, that fucking scared me. Why is it so loud? Again, we did it again. Can't believe it. So great. We just gotta wait and hold it all the way through. This is a chop around zone or like a reversal zone, so kind of sketchy about that. But I don't know. I get a sense that it's like I should have looked on the daily VP and then looked at the daily TPO, and this was like a really high probability TP point right here. Could have had a easy 7R, but I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna hold it out until it goes here because this is also very very high probability in my eyes. Because aggregate the range. Look at the range right here. It's top of this shelf. It's not even point of control. Who knows? It could probably go to point of control right here, right before it hits anything crazy for reversals. So yeah, just waiting for that. So far, I don't know, like five R, 5x in profit. Yeah, that was so boring. My headset just died, so yeah, that's pretty gay. Um, yeah, this was a great level. I had all these convergences too on the VWAP. I gotta set that contract, the contract, open contract VWAP, and maybe even the monthly, but I don't know. Monthly is like not something I'd look at. Not really that useful. So weekly open, session open, daily open, and then yeah, contract open is kind of what I look at. I hope this video finds somebody well in the future. Boom, 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 boom. Very nice. I like it. It's going good. And this is very good. I like it. It's very good. It's very good. I saw this level 2 earlier. It's right here. See that little pocket of the volume or the TPO right here? And we make it blue. Very good. Yes, 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 yes. Unless I can make it like red. What's a color we haven't used before? Purple. Purple. Oh, wait. It's not even on the thing. This is what I was looking at. Yes. Shelf, 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 shelf. Oh my god. Perfect entry. And look at that. You could have had a freaking negative a billion point stop, right? That could have been a 1 point stop. Holy shit. Damn. 18R, or on the other side of the daily, it could have been 26R. Am I that ambitious yet? No, I probably would have. Oh, wait a minute. I probably would have had something like this. Not even lying. Not even lying. This could have. This could have been my position. Oh shit. Yeah, I think we might be wanting to go higher. Could have TP'd to here. Honestly, I should probably do that already. I don't think to like. I don't think to freaking do that. Okay, buy 4 right here. And then we're just gonna have one runner. I never do that. I never take partials. Crazy. Crazy retarded craziness. Debatably. Where price is at? So being really good with our risk management. So we'll take off like 3 right here. Being careful. But I feel like, oh, we do have this volume right here. We could be bouncing off right there. We could also be going higher. A little tricky. See, that's the hard thing about trading is like tell yourself all these stories and shit. Like, yeah, I don't know. Like, I do want to get rid of this right here. But as soon as it starts going up, I'm like, maybe I should pay. Okay, here's what. We'll keep our position the same. And we're gonna trail our stop for once. We're gonna trail our stop for once. I never tend to do that. Can I see, where can I see it not touching our stop? Like right there is a good area. Might take a while to get down here though. And that's also all the way on the other extreme. Okay. Um, all right, I'll be back.
We make it look easy.
All right. Can't stop thinking about that whole Fogel thing. Like,
We make it look easy.
I'm just pricking myself up. Somebody please watch this in the future. I don't care. I don't care. It takes time. It takes time to get the profits. Meh. Oh, I so like Motive Wave way better for this. Ugh, these like TPOs, you can't even set them up correctly. Volume profiles are just. Blah. They're just like, man, dude. Oh, come on. That's probably what I should do. Taking partials. And if I do see like a way longer move happening, then yeah, I could just like, yeah, just have levels to my TP. It's just the way to go, I'd imagine. Liquidity sweep. Ooh, look at that. The daily and the session ended up converging. Like, wow, guys, can you believe it? Can you believe this? This is crazy, man. Never saw anything like it in my life. I don't even know how much I was risking to begin with. I think it was 150. Messenger. Messenger.
Yeah, well, I ended up taking partials on it, but I don't know. I don't look at it as like, oh, I couldn't have hit full TP. My full TP was at that data wick low. When CPI happened, and
Alrighty. See what gold's doing. Wow. Here. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh, excuse me. Yes. See this right here? These right here? This right there? That's the shit. There's also this daily? Yeah. This LVN shelf right there. Other side of bulk of value for this LVN. I can see us going up here before we make a big move down that or like here or here. But I think this is going to be a pretty decent retrace. Like right here, sort of deal. Probably not that far, but like this sort of deal before we go higher. We'll see. We're gonna find out. Yeah, so I probably missed out on profit here. I should have been looking on the daily extremes for the deviation bands. Because whenever you're trading on the daily, you want to treat it, everything on as on the daily. If you're a swing trader and we hit this level right here, then yeah, you could probably take a week long trade. But if you're an eval trader, this hits, you gotta take it out. You gotta cancel your trade automatically by a certain time. So not really an option to swing trade unless there's a prop firm out there that allows swing trading. Never heard of it. This is gonna take forever, man, to hit this other end. Is it in the scope though? I mean, it is in the negative 3.5, 3 area. It's probable. Oh my god. Oh, stretch. I'll probably close this and go to work, but I'm not going to work. I don't need to go to work. I need to go to work. I don't want to go to work.
Jesus.
Oh yeah, I forgot I was still live streaming. Cool. I don't know, man. Like, what are we gonna do? Just chopping around. It's amazing. And only if I saw this took this long. If I didn't have a stop loss, I would have freaking made something. I would have made something, man. Boom, all the way up there. I gotta back test these moves for CPI, non-farm, all of it. All of it, man. Yeah, if we break through this high, I'm like, I've never seen TP. Ever. Ever, ever. I am gonna raise it up though. Like that. Yeah. Would have been wise to see this is 804. Been wise to keep it, take profit for like 3 contracts here. You live and you learn, I guess. I don't know. I could just see it dumping. Yeah, I could just see it taking all these lows right now, or some shit, or very soon. Maybe sweep these highs and then go all the way down to my TP. Who knows? I might do it right now. I just want to drink a coffee right now. When is this gonna go down? I just want. That's it. It's easy. That's that easy. Just. How am I gonna do this? Can't do this anymore. I need. I need a hammer. This is a hammer method. How do I? How do I? How do I? Bigger hammer. Big hammer. Alright. Yes. Go down. Yep. It's gonna go down right now. Yeah, no, don't. It's not working, man. It's not working. I need a magnet now, dude. Where's the magnet, bro? Gotta find a magnet. Yeah, dude. Magnet time. Yes, yes, this is going to work. This is going to work. This is what the Jews do. Yes, yes, it's going down. This is how you know. This is how you know it's going down. Yes, this is how you're gonna know. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, that's enough lollygagging. Give me the boringest thing to watch for my viewers. For my viewers, fuck around. What an yes did. Dude, that could have been so valid. Easy TP lower right there. Easy. Easy, bro. You know, I get stopped out. It's okay. Okay. I didn't lose. That's I'm grateful. I'm grateful for not losing. 0 losses today. You know, even if it takes me out for 144, I am totally cool with that. The lesson to be learned today is to take profit on the opposite side of the standard deviation band for the session or the day. And that's cool. It's cool. Actually, we are bullish, so we were one band up from the weekly too. It would be nice to see this hit, but I feel like we're just gonna go higher. Like I knew that from the beginning too. We're gonna go up here probably. Probably it right now. I don't know. We're gonna find out sooner or later. I'll update you guys later.